Intermittent fasting, also known as intermittent energy restriction, is an umbrella term for various meal timing schedules that cycle between voluntary fasting or reduced calorie intake and non-fasting over a given period. In the United States, intermittent fasting became a fad in Silicon Valley. It was the most popular diet in 2018 according to a survey by the International Food Information Council. Intermittent fasting has recently become a very trendy because its ability to weight loss plus improve health. Several methods of this eating pattern exist, and every method can be effective, but figuring out which one works best depends on the individual. Three methods of intermittent fastings are alternate day fasting, periodic fasting, and daily time restricted feeding. The American Heart Association states that intermittent fasting may produce weight loss, reduce insulin resistance, and lower the risk of cardiometabolic diseases, although its long-term sustainability is unknown. A 2019 review concluded that intermittent fasting may help with obesity, insulin resistance, dyslipidemia, hypertension, and inflammation. Alternate day fasting involves alternating between a 24-hour fast day, where the person eats less than 25% of usual energy needs, followed by a 24-hour non-fasting feast day period. It is the strictest form of intermittent fasting, and there are two subtypes. The first one is the complete alternate day fasting, or total intermittent energy restriction, where no calories are consumed on fast days. And the second subtype is the modified alternate day fasting, or partial intermittent energy restriction, which allows the consumption of up to 25% of daily calorie needs on fasting days instead of complete fasting. The 5:2 diet. Periodic fasting or whole day fasting involves any period of consecutive fasting of more than 24 hours, such as the 5:2 diet, where there are 1 or 2 fast days per week, to the more extreme version with several days or weeks of fasting. During the fasting days, consumption of approximately 500 to 700 calories, or about 25% of regular daily caloric intake, may be allowed instead of complete fasting. 16:8 diet. Time-restricted feeding involves eating only during a certain number of hours each day. Skipping a meal in the 16:8 diet, or 16 fasting hours cycled by 8 non-fasting hours are example. This schedule is thought to leverage the circadian rhythm. The warrior diet was popularized by fitness expert Ari Hofmeckler. It involves eating small amounts of raw fruits and vegetables during the day and eating one huge meal at night. Basically, you fast all day and feast at night within a 4-hour eating window. The AHA recommends intermittent fasting as an option for weight loss and calorie control as part of an intentional approach to eating that focuses on the timing and frequency of meals and snacks as the basis of a healthier lifestyle and improved risk factor management. A news item in the Canadian Medical Association Journal expressed concern that promotional material for the diet showed people eating high-calorie food, such as hamburgers and chips, and that this could encourage binge eating, since the implication was that if you fast 2 days a week, you can devour as much junk as your gullet can swallow during the remaining 5 days. Most studies on intermittent fasting in humans have observed weight loss ranging from 2.5% to 9.9%. Alternate day fasting does not affect lean body mass, although one review found a small decrease. Alternate day fasting improves cardiovascular and metabolic biomarkers, similarly to a calorie restriction diet in people who are overweight, obese, or have a metabolic syndrome. Reviews of preliminary clinical studies found that short-term intermittent fasting may produce minor adverse effects, such as continuous feeling of hunger, irritability, and impaired thinking, although these effects disappear within a month from the fasting practice. However, the data remains sparse as most of the studies did not analyze adverse effects specifically. A 2018 A 2018 systematic review found no major adverse effect. Intermittent fasting is not recommended for pregnant or breastfeeding women, or growing children and adolescents, or individuals vulnerable to eating disorders.